Bijoy Chakravarti. Very briefly, madam.
Okay, I shall be very brief. Sir, bill is technicality of the pipeline. माननीय बहुत सदस्य ने इसका बारे में रखा. But I want to speak here regarding the problem created by two ministries. It is Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Petroleum. So, because of this, the few industrial proposals still in abortive stage due to non-clearance of supply of raw material by these two ministries because they could not be clear in this regard. So, sir, anyway, due to dispute between these two ministries of the Government of India, the coal-based methane, which is called CBM, who is the nodal ministry? It is called Ministry of Coal or Ministry of Petroleum. So, who is the authority, sir? It is not yet clear. As there is dispute between the both the ministry, then there is no one who will make it sure that who will clear all the project that is still lying in the incubator. So, I want to know from the Honorable Minister, how many projects have been delayed due to the dispute between the two ministries belonging to the Government of India. Sir, we have developed friendly relationship with Bangladesh, and there is a lots of deposition of gas in Bangladesh. Whether the Honorable Ministry concerned or Minister concerned take any step to have gas supply from the Bangladesh, or whether the government decide to explore this in Tripura and in Bangladesh also, and this is very important. So I want to know from Honorable Minister regarding this. Then regarding another point, regarding land acquisition, Honorable Ministers, they express their anxiety. But I want to know, as the land acquisition bill is in standing committee, whether the Ministry of Petroleum again make some amendment in this regard, or whether they will go by the land acquisition bill which is in the standing committee. I want to know it. And my last point, there is lots of pilferage. Here Honorable Minister Pawan Singh Ghatwari is sitting here. So Honorable Minister also knows it very well, that right from Dibrugarh down to Barauni, lots of pilferage happen. And it is so, if there is no combination between the ministry, between the state government official, between the among the all people, there cannot be any pilferage. So, from the Honorable Minister, I want to be assured that there should be no pilferage, and by amassing lots of money, by doing pilferage, some persons, they become very dead, which we cannot touch. So it is very important for us also. In the railway wagons also, there is complaint that there is pilferage because of the railway wagons also. So there should be some scientific device we should develop so that there may not be any pilferage in the pipeline directly or through the in the railway wagons. Okay. So this is my, and another point I want to clarification from the Honorable Minister, that is due to faulty kerosene oil, domestic kerosene oil, lots of death occurred in Assam, in the district of Nagaon, in the Nalbari district of Assam, in Baksa district of Assam, in Bongaigaon district, in Kokazar district, in Gwalbar district, because of faulty kerosene. Lots of people died, and a few people still are languishing in the hospitals. So, what is the cause of it? Who is responsible for it? Who supplied this faulty kerosene oil? It should be ascertained. I want to know.
Sri Rameshwar Paita, last